bed ko.
Guys, we're in the room so no one can disturb us because in the living room there's guests. So we're playing MM2 for today. Shout out to Katharina. She joined me.
I am Kalbo.
And she's not
She's
not bald. I don't have a gun because this is my alt account, guys. If you know. If you know.
How did you get so much Roblox?
Robux, not Roblox.
It's Robux.
I'm just gonna pause. Oh, okay, not gonna pause.
I am going to get my egg toy.
You have an egg toy. I don't have an egg toy or an emote because this is my alt account. This is my alt. Guys, I have an egg but only one.
Oh my gosh, I got carrot.
You're almost gonna get the bunny.
Yes, I like the banana.
Oh my god. Someone
Okay,
keeps
play.
chatting me. Hey, yo.
Research facility.
No.
Fine. Lemonatachi. Oh. Should I? I'm not a crybaby. Ayaw, sino?
Dito na si MJ. It's like ASMR. Oh my god. Who is that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
OMG, that
It's the
banana.
banana man. Ah! It's the banana man. Oh my god. Guys, it's the banana man.
Uh-oh.
What?
She is coming.
Oh my god. It's like
Who's the
ASMR.
cleaner?
Oh my god. Someone just followed. Oh.
Bro left.
Who?
I wait here, ano. No, ang mean pala.
What?
You became mean. I was not with you. I
What?
said I was joking with you.
This girl is half knit.
Banana.
It's half black and white. Guys, I'm not racist. I'm just telling because her skin color is color black, not the N word.
Quiet.
Guys, we're ASMR talking because
Banana, you're so beautiful. I like
What?
you. Share it.
oh my god, I'm innocent. Protect me.
No. Never.
Please protect me.
Never.
I'm gonna kill you if I get murderer if you don't protect me. Ouch.
Don't
Ow.
you dare. No!
Oh my god, I'm just gonna hide here.
Ano sabi niya? And raisins.
And
And
racism.
raisin.
Racism.
Ay, racism. What is racism?
You don't know how to pronounce that, bitch.
Did you dare?
You keep spamming your gun.
Yes, because it's yes.
Don't show off your gun. If someone comes near to you and you don't know who the murderer is,
Fine.
it's gonna kill you immediately.
Sure.
Where are you?
Just tell me if the murderer's here.
I'm just gonna collect these exit coins.
Me too. OMG. Please do not kill me.
I think the black one is the murderer.
He is acting sus.
Yar. Let's.
Go sus mode.
What?
Sure.
I'm
Ew.
sus mode. Oops, sorry. Oh my god, someone died here.
Who?
That guy.
Who is that guy?
I think it's not dead. This person is not dead. It has crab walk. This person is not dead, I swear. Oh, it's literally
is-
dead. I don't know who the murderer is. Banana Man and the guy got killed. Oh my god.
Where is
The
it?
murderer is right.
Where is he?
It's nandito siya nag-walk.
Where is
He's here, right here, right here. Oh my god. Taya. I believe in
I
you.
am racist.
Taya, I believe in you.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
Where did she go?
He, not she.
Where did
He's wall camping.
Why?
Oh my god, he's coming near you.
Did you do?
Oh my god. It's gonna stab you.
I am not
He's
gonna
lagging too
stab
hard.
you. Bro,
The
hitbox.
hitbox. I'm gonna
You
pause this.
deserve to die. Itong slim shady.
Look at me doing at you.
Shut.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Someone said womp womp.
Womp womp, yes. I love it.
I don't know what womp womp means. I keep questioning myself, why do people womp womp? Do you know what womp womp means?
Yes.
What is it?
Cute.
Oh,
Serious, I don't know.
I don't know either.
No.
I swear,
Womp
this guy is
Oh.
full of black.
Womp.
Solo womp.
I was just
Yeah,
trying
womp,
womp
womp, 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 womp.
So,
Cool. The banana guy said cool. I'm sheriff. Oh my god, I'm sheriff. Just gonna be careful with...
it's lagging so much.
Yes, it's lagging so much. Like for real.
Yes.
Oh my god,
I know
umalis
who's
ka.
the killer now.
Who?
The baldy guy.
Oh my god.
No, not that one, right over there.
No, someone is
That boy.
following me.
I think that's her. Don't you dare. I know who it is.
Who?
That girl behind you. Wait, it's not her.
Go check.
That girl.
Oh my god, I knew it. I knew it.
He's right over there at the
I know.
stairs. I'm going to juke her first.
I think. Be quiet. The baby moved. Where is she? Where is she? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I died. Oh my god, I was distracted by the baby. So guys, stay tuned. I'm just gonna pause it so the baby can sleep. I'm gonna update you later. Guys, I'm lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I am lagging. Look guys, I'm lagging. I'm gonna rejoin. Stay updated. Guys, she's camping the gun. Oh my god, someone's gonna get it. Oh my god, you got it, girl. Bro, lapitan mo na lang siya, magtaas ka dun. Oh my god. Someone got the gun. The black, yung black. Yung black. Nasa likod mo. Nasa likod mo. My god, that girl is over there. I'm just gonna pause it because maybe we'll lose storage. Let's stay updated. Eno. I'm innocent. I'm innocent like always. Where is she? Oh my god. Hi, Thea. Let's go up. Why do you keep following me? Don't kill me if you're a murderer, okay?
Oh, MJ, I know who's married.
Oh my god. Ah! I saved Thea's life. Oh my god.
He's drinking liquor.
Slay! Kaya nga, the hitbox is so unfair. Like, I'm innocent.
I'm jealous.
Bakit? This girl is the...
Oh,
I died. Thea's sheriff montage. Yung pizza girl, yun. Yun, oh yun. Yun na girl. Hello. Dali. Go. Innocent. Oh my god! Let's team pag namatay mo yung sheriff, okay? So guys, we're gonna team. No haters, guys. We're just having fun here. Kaya andito ako sa taas ng red, wag mo ako patayin. Namatay mo yung sheriff? Andito yung... What? Sino yung sheriff? Sino yung sheriff? No! Ala! Akala ko kung sino nagagalaw. Ikaw pala. Womp womp. Ah! Ayo, this avatar looks so cringy and so ewy and so gooey and so sus and so neko. Oh my god. She be banned with this one. Go. I hate my phone. Titi. What? What did you get? I got innocent as like always because I keep getting innocent because I'm always innocent. Oh. My God. I think they're teamers. I think teamers yung bacon. Diba? Oh. The cringe Uneko girl died. Guys, I just saw this guy, level 9, and his skills are so many, and knives so many. What? Effects so many. Mama call me fat. Guess what? I got mine. I'm not lucky.
Yes, you are. Just your ears. Okay. Malagi ka.
No, I'm not lucky. And this is my villain era now.
How did you get it?
Oh, sino yung sheriff? Ay, dito yung sheriff. Ay, andun. Nasaan na? Ito yung sheriff.
I'm just trying to...
Andito yung, gun. Ala, I'm sorry.
May
May nag-hack yung girl. Yung girl nag-hack.
si Farah, I'm going to report her.
Shell, anyway, so nakuha niya yung gun. Anyway, so
I report it.
bitch. They don't know I'm so
I'm sorry.
Nag-spam jump me. Innocent.
Nakita mo dyan?
Oh, hacker.
Sino yung hacker?
Ay, ito yung murderer. Ito yung murderer. Yun yung sheriff. Ano?
Hmm?
Oh my God. May hacker. Yung babae, nag-hack talaga. Uy.
Pasan siya?
Nandito siya sa baba. Ito, oh. Wait, tasan yung gun? Nasa labas ata yung gun. Wait, tingnan ko. Ay, oh, yun oh. Go. Doon ka sa taas ata. Pupunta siya sa sink.
Saan sink?
Dito, oh, sa sink. Diyan. Ayun na siya, oh, dito. Pupunta na.
Ito?
Hindi, nandito pa siya. Baka dyan na. Baka dyan na. Hanggang pataas na. Wait lang. Ayan na, ayan na. Oh my God! Baka puno na yung pool. So guys, goodbye. We're gonna leave and we're gonna go to the pool.